Hello. I will provide some explanations that are a continuation of the main topic discussed in our previous videos, aimed at individuals and families living in or planning to live in America, as well as those conducting investment research.
This might influence the Fed's decisions on interest rate increases. Many analysts predict that the Fed will not act as quickly and aggressively in raising interest rates as it did before. Considering the S&P 500's nearly 80% increase over the last 5 years, around 250% in the last 10 years, and approximately 430% in the last 30 years, despite all the ups and downs, we can observe that the stock market has generally risen over long-term periods. In this context, it's worth recalling a quote from the investment genius Warren Buffett, who has experienced numerous stock market declines and booms over his 91-year life. When you see headlines saying market falls and investors lose, just smile. Rewrite the statement in your mind to say non-investors lose when the market falls, but investors win. Remember, for every seller there is a buyer. What hurts one side helps the other. Warren Buffett. Processes for trading on U.S. stock markets. To trade on U.S. stock markets, you need to follow several steps. Firstly, you should open an investment account with a brokerage firm to invest in stocks. Since the trading unit in the U.S. is the dollar, you'll need to open a non-interest-bearing dollar account in your country to fund your trading account. Once you have your account set up, you can deposit funds and start buying and selling stocks on U.S. exchanges based on your analysis and preferences, aiming to achieve your investment goals. Choosing the stocks you want to invest in and executing trades is done through the features provided by the brokerage. You don't need to be a U.S. citizen to open a bank account in the U.S. If you're a student or need to stay in the U.S. for a short period, you can open a bank account. According to the U.S. Patriot Act, banks are required to verify customers' identities. Accepted forms of identification include a driver's license, passport, and IDs issued by state authorities or the military. The crucial criteria are that the ID must be issued by a U.S. government agency and include a photo. If you don't have an SSN or a U.S. ID, some banks allow you to open an account with your passport and an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, obtained from the U.S. This is particularly useful for non-U.S. citizens or immigrants residing in the U.S. without proper documentation. Opening a bank account overseas allows you to manage your transactions from anywhere and even access global markets through U.S. banks, potentially avoiding exchange rate fluctuations. Non-U.S. individuals can set up a U.S. company, obtain an employer identification number, EIN, and open a bank account, enabling them to trade on American, European, and Asian markets. Online financial platforms that don't require an ITIN or SSN offer access to financial services much like having a U.S. bank account. For instance, Wise provides a multi-currency account that gives you local bank details in currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, and CAD. You can store various currencies in one wallet and convert between them using real exchange rates. U.S. citizens and individuals with an SSN can open online bank accounts. If you don't meet these criteria, you may need to visit physical bank branches in the U.S., or you can open online accounts with alternatives like Wise and Revolut. When opening a bank account in the U.S., you may need to pay a deposit fee ranging from $25 to $100. Some banks might also have a minimum balance requirement to open an account. However, online options like Wise and Revolut allow you to open U.S. accounts online and for free. To put it simply, Forex trading involves exchanging one country's currency for another at an agreed-upon price. Currency values fluctuate due to various factors such as a country's economy. Forex traders analyze these fluctuations to speculate on price movements and potentially profit from them. Forex trading involves buying a currency, speculating on its price, and selling another currency. Currency values change due to geopolitical and technical factors. With a daily trading volume surpassing $5 trillion, Forex is the world's largest investment market. Unlike many other markets, Forex is an over-the-counter, OTC, market, which means it doesn't require a physical location. All transactions occur through global networks, institutions, banks, and individuals 24/5. For those interested in faith-based trading and investing, many CFD brokers offer interest-free trading accounts where transactions don't involve interest or borrowing fees. This aligns with Islamic trading principles. Trading assets like gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies might be compliant with Islamic criteria. Crypto markets and investment alternatives. The size of the cryptocurrency market is expressed in the billions of dollars, reaching around $500 billion. As the market has grown, numerous new cryptocurrencies have emerged. Cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin are referred to as altcoins because they offer alternatives to Bitcoin. It can be challenging to choose among the best altcoins, given the thousands of options available. Some of the most recommended altcoins are summarized below. Ethereum. Ethereum, the second most valuable cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, currently boasts a market capitalization of $64.35 billion. The Ethereum network supports 15 transactions per second. You can buy Ethereum from popular exchanges using credit/debit cards and bank transfers. Litecoin. Litecoin has been in the market for over 7 years and holds a market capitalization of $8.2 billion, making it one of the top altcoins. Litecoin has made significant developments in Bitcoin technology to increase transaction speed, being 4 times faster than Bitcoin.
Thank you for listening patiently. You can hear detailed explanations about this topic in our other videos. Feel free to write down your questions.